Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I want to give you free access to my $10,000 per month Clickbank affiliate marketing course. The course that's going to hopefully change your life if you follow the steps and take massive action. And the good news is, the first good news which I just gave you is I'm giving it away for free. Okay. Now this course is worth $497. You get it absolutely free of charge. That's number one. Number two, the method that I am teaching in my course works with every affiliate networks out there. So if you're not promoting Clickbank products and you are promoting another affiliate network, you can still use this course and crush it online. Okay. Now, not just this course, I'm going to give you free access to my 100k YouTube Mastery course. A course that's going to show you how to generate over $100,000 with YouTube free traffic. And I'm also going to give you free access to another course which is all about getting unlimited traffic to any affiliate offer. So I give you access to some of the top traffic providers which you can use in your business to start making money online. Now you must be asking yourself this one question: hey man, this is so good, I would love to get free access to all the three courses. What's the catch? Okay, so we're going to talk about this in this video, alright? And I'm going to answer a couple of questions that people may have about this. So let's dive into this video. Now before I get into this video, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click that subscribe button. Okay, my channel is all about make money online, affiliate marketing, working from home, traffic generation, lead generation, and my channel, my videos, my training has helped thousands of people make money online. I have helped thousands of people change their life. So if you still haven't subscribed, you are missing out big time. Number two, if you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. Number three, hit the share button and share this video with the people you care. This might change someone else's life. And number four, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. Alright, so what is this? Why am I giving this free course? Because I want to help you. I want to give you something that could helpfully change your life. Now, sometimes what happens is when you provide someone a certain training program or something, they are skeptical. They don't want to buy because they have so many doubts going through their heads. Okay? But you know that the deal that I am offering is so powerful that's going to change their life if they take it. So just to hype you up, I'm offering 3 top courses for you if you take action. And what am I talking about? What I'm talking about is getting access to the Fast Profit Strategy Manual. How to make unlimited $100 payments over and over and over again using 100% free traffic. That's right. What I want is I want to give you access to the Fast Profit Strategy Manual that's going to show you a 1-hour daily method which will earn you unlimited $100 payments using 100% free traffic. And this is 100% legit, 100% beginners friendly, and it's a life-changing opportunity for you. Now, because you probably have so many questions, will this really work? Is this a scam and this and that? I am adding bonuses to my strategy manual profit. What I'm doing is I'm giving you 3 extra courses, okay? So what you need to do is, first of all, I'm going to have all my links in my description box below this video. I'm going to add the link in my comment section box, pin the link as well. Okay, just if you can scroll down, you're going to find the link. And I am also going to pop up the website address right now, which is popping up right on your screen. If you go to this website address, you're going to come to a page just like this, okay? Now, let me explain what you're getting here. This is going to be an opportunity that's going to change your life. Now, remember, the bonuses that I am offering, I can't promise and guarantee that I'm going to keep these bonuses for very long. So that's why I had to come up with another video, record this video again, to make sure you have understood here what you're getting, okay? So first of all, you are getting access to the Fast Profit Strategy Manual that's going to show you how to spend only 1 hour a day, and that could make you unlimited $100 over and over again using 100% free traffic, okay? The good part is that you are going to get access to reseller rights to this Fast Profit Strategy Manual, which means once you get your hands on this, you get to sell this as well, share it with the people, with your friends, with your customers, or drive any free traffic, which we are going to teach you in this manual. Use it and start making unlimited $100 payments. This one element alone is going to put you in profit fast. Why am I saying this? Because there are people, customers who got this and they made their first $100, even $200 from day one. Okay. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to make money from day one. I'm not even guaranteeing you're going to make any money. You know why? Because I don't know you. I don't even know if you're going to follow the steps. I don't even know if you're going to take any kind of action. But if you follow the steps, you take action, okay, and you do everything as told, which is 100% beginners friendly, no experience required, no technical skills required, no followers required, and you do it every single day, you're going to start seeing $100 payments coming into your bank account. You could also set up PayPal for this, or you could set up whatever payment streams you are comfortable with according to your country, okay? So you're getting access to Fast Profit Strategy Manual with reseller rights, which means that you get to keep, sell, and earn 100% profit, which is $100, okay? So what are you getting access to, okay? You're getting access to the unlimited $100 sales daily blueprint, which is the Fast Profit Strategy Manual, where we teach you, show you exactly step by step every day what you need to do with these free traffic sources. Remember, you don't have to create a video. A lot of people think, do you have to create a video? Do I need to show my face? No, you don't need to show your face. You don't need to create a video. This got nothing to do with video, okay? This is a powerful way for you to generate free traffic and start making sales, okay? You're going to get access to the solo ad providers, email traffic providers. A lot of people, they go out there, they buy traffic, they don't make any money. They don't make money with Clickbank, they don't make money with any networks. I'm going to give you access to the top email traffic providers that when you plug yourself into these traffic providers, you are going to get guaranteed high quality subscribers, leads, and potential sales, okay? You're going to get access to the daily traffic routine, which only takes 1 hour, approximately 1 hour, and that 1 hour can bring in unlimited $100 sales. And I'm not even joking. Check this out, okay? Look at this. What I'm talking about really works. Whatever method we are going to teach you, it will work for you to generate money like this as well, okay? Like this as well. Check this out, okay? Like this as well, okay? So I'm showing you that the method that we're going to teach you, you can promote anything. You can promote Clickbank, you can promote Warrior Plus, you can promote ClickFunnels, you can promote anything, and this works. But we're going to give you this manual to work for the manual, so you can start generating unlimited $100 payments, okay? So let me show you some more proof, okay? Check this out, okay? This works, right? Okay, look at this, okay? So this is proof. Now, some of the proof I showed you has got nothing to do with the strategy manual, all right? But what I'm sharing is that whatever is in the strategy manual, that works for everything out there. Clickbank products, Warrior Plus products, ClickFunnels products, and you could generate commissions with any products out there, okay? But what we share is for the strategy manual, because you're getting reseller license to this strategy manual. And once you get reseller license, you get to sell and keep 100% profit. So you make 100% commission, okay? You're getting the email ad copy. You're getting the messenger ad copy. You're getting access to the Facebook group that gets you interaction. You get access to how to get sales daily. You get access to done for you Facebook Reels. You get access to top business. The top business that can make you unlimited high ticket commissions, which I'm using, okay? And obviously I've already spoke about, you're getting reseller rights to this whole in strategy manual for you to make fast profit, and you're going to get access to a lot more stuff. Very, very cool stuff, okay? Now, how much is this going to cost you? One time payment, $100. And you get reseller license to this, so you can sell this as well and make unlimited $100. Okay, link is popping up right on your screen. Okay, don't wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Fast action takers always win. I'm here to help you. I want to see you succeed. And just to hype you up, okay, I'm going to give you these 3 bonuses. You can see this. Look at this. 3 bonuses, my friend. Free access to my 10K Clickbank course. Free access to unlimited traffic course. Your traffic problem solved permanently. Free access to my 100K YouTube mastery course. This is priceless. Okay, you're getting access to this with the strategy manual as a bonus. All right, and I'm giving away this because I want to help you. All right, I want to see you succeed online. I want to see you start making money online. All right, now how long are these bonuses available? I don't know. I can't promise that. What I can promise is that if you follow the steps in this strategy manual, all right, your life is never going to be the same again. If you take massive action with a positive mindset, your life is never going to be the same again. Let me answer a couple of questions. Is this a scam? No, absolutely no. This is a legitimate opportunity for you to change your life. Number 2, does this require any further investment? Absolutely no. No further investment. If you do want to do paid traffic, that's optional. You can, but you don't have to, because we work around free traffic and we show you how to get unlimited free traffic. So you pay the one-time payment of $100. You get reseller license to this strategy manual so you can sell it and earn $100 as well. Okay, and you work yourself for free traffic. I'm doing free traffic. I haven't drove any kind of paid traffic to this yet. Okay, free traffic. Free traffic is going to bring you these results. Okay. Number 3, after I have joined, what do I do? Okay, so this is what you need to do. Once you have joined, you're going to come to Facebook, all right, and you're going to type my name. This is my name, okay, and then you're going to send me a message. You're going to message me, okay, and then you're just going to say to me, hey, I just bought the strategy manual, and within 12 hours to 24 hours, I'm going to send you access. I'm going to send you 2 emails. One email is the access to the strategy manual, and the second access is going to be the free access to my 3 courses. Okay, go through it. Now here's my recommendation. Listen very, very carefully, because I don't want you to get frustrated. Once you purchase the strategy manual, I want you to go through the strategy manual first. Okay, why? Because so you're on the path to making unlimited $100 payments. Because once you go through the strategy manual and you put this into action, starting from day 1, okay, you're on your path to making unlimited $100. That's what I want you to do. Okay, once you have gone through the strategy manual and you have started to put this into action, and you're spending about 30 minutes to 1 hour a day doing this, then I want you to start going through my courses. The reason I'm saying this, because I don't want you to get frustrated, overwhelmed, all right? Because if you go through my courses, you might leave this strategy manual sitting on the side. I don't want you to do that. I want you to go through the strategy manual first, because that's what you are paying for. Go through that, set everything up. It only takes a couple of minutes. Start driving traffic using 100% free traffic, no investment, no money required. Start making those $100, okay? And once you set everything up and you have got the grip of this method that's mentioned in the strategy manual, then at your own time and on your own pace. You want to start going through my courses to start implementing everything even more further, to start making commissions from other networks. Okay, so link popping up on your screen, link in my description, link in my comment section box. Go ahead, you're going to come to a page just like this. Enter your full name, email address. Then you have two ways to pay, either with a debit card, credit card, or PayPal. Just select whatever you want to pay with. Pay your $100, and within 12 hours to 24 hours you are going to get access to the Fast Profit Strategy Manual and access to 3 of my courses, which I have made it available right now to help you out. Okay, I can't guarantee and promise if this is going to be available more longer, so you need to act fast before it's pulled down. All right, so that's all for now. If you have questions, just leave a comment, let me know with your questions. If you want me to cover any other topic in my videos on my channel, just let me know, and I will be more than happy to help you out.